Dad, why are you so quiet lately?
Sighs. I'm just tired, son. Life feels heavy sometimes.
But you always say it's okay to talk when something's wrong.
Softly, you're right. I've been feeling lost, but talking to you helps.
Hi people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make use of Animator to create a beautiful kid animation video. And if this is what you want to see, please do well to stay to the end of this video and also subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also to hit the notification bell so that when I post a video, you will be notified. Let's dive into the video. So I go to my Animator and I'm signing in now. I choose one of the email I want to use. This is the Animator. After they ask you all the whole questions, then come here. I choose generate subscriber for substitute for video. Then I'm signing in. I've signed in now in my Animator app, and this is the interface. Go to create video. It's opening. When it's opening, click on the blank bracket and choose YouTube size, which is 16:9, and let's wait for it to open. So it has finished opening. I come here. These are the menu and these are background. If you don't like anyone there, based on what I want to create, I want to create a dialogue video, conversational video that I'm still chatting and I've seen one. Then go to character. Character is to choose the kind of person you want, and I'm looking for old man that will play the role of a father. So I'm still chatting for me to get someone that can play a role of a father. Okay, I've finally seen one. Then I've choose this man, and I'm going to look for where he sits. So I type sit and they give me where he's sitting. So don't panic. Once you type action, once you click on action, then the image itself will change to the position you want it to be. That is why this Animator is very, very important. Then I want to look for a frame so that I can put a frame on the wall. I'm choosing this frame, then remove that one to replace it with this one so that it will look more real. I go to flip up there, then choose. I'm trying to look for position where the picture can come to the front, arrange it. After that, I will go to Chat-GPT, type the character, what I want, the conversation I want them to have, and Chat-GPT I'm copying this because it will guide me on what I want. After I finish typing, I'll tell it to generate, and Chat-GPT is going to generate it for me, and is generating it now. After it's finished generating, I go to resemble.ai to turn my text into audio, and I'm signing in. So this is me signing in. I go to full editor. After I've signed in, then I choose the voice I want and choose the voice I want to use, because I want to use the first scene is the guy voice, that's the son voice, which I'm looking for a voice that is going to be okay for it. I choose that, then come to
Dad, why are you so quiet lately?
So I've pasted the text I want to use there. Then I'm going to I'm going to download it. See my download here. I click on download. So that is what I do until I finish generating all the voice I need for this video. So when I come back to my animator, I choose this one as the sun because it's the sun scene I want to create. Then I go to action. After I finish arranging it to be where I want it to be, I come to this place to flip it to face this other side and increase it. After I might have finished arranging it, I'll go to action. In the action, working, after typing working, is going to bring out a lot of animator, a lot of working actions. And I'm going to choose anyone I like here. I choose this one. You see how it's working. So I get to carry it back. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to shift it back and reduce it in size, reduce it and make it look very fine. Then go to action again, type setting, then choose the one that face that direction and shift it to be in the same position where the chair is. So after that time, the next thing you are going to do is to arrange it, then make it look fine, then come to this place and play it. So let's see how it will come out. Okay, yes, as you can see, he has walked to that place. Then and shift it because he walked very fast to the scene. So it's for us to shift it from here, and then let's play it and see. So look at it now. I think it's better because the motion is slower. I'm pausing it then to adjust it a bit again and play it again. So to come to upload, then choose the voiceover I did from resemble.ai and bring it here. Let it load. So after it's finished loading,
Sighs. I'm just tired, son. Life feels heavy sometimes.
Dad, why are you so quiet lately?
Sighs. I'm just tired, son. Life feels heavy sometimes.
go back to upload, download another scene and come and paste it. That is what you will do until you download all the whole scene and add to the video.
Dad, why are you so quiet lately?
Sighs. I'm just tired, son. Life feels heavy sometimes.
But you always say it's okay to talk when something's wrong.
Softly, you're right. I've been feeling lost, but talking to you helps.
This is how you can design your kid animation video to enable them have fun. If you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that when I post a video, you will be notified. See you in my next video. Bye.